And by next spring, at most, by next summer, at current enrichment rates, they will have finished the medium enrichment and move on to the final stage. Iran is so dangerous, weeks away from having the fissile material for an entire arsenal of nuclear bombs. We're going to show you Iran's secret nuclear files. Here's the warhead. Here's the bomb.
Mr. Netanyahu, despite the most horrible program in the world against the people of Gaza, would now want to spread war even further. What kind of a future are you building with this behavior? War is stupid. It's a failure of getting a reasonable settlement without paying the absurd prices of war.